Hi guys, it's arrived, the GT Omega Classic wheel stand. This is where the sim racing starts now. The GT Omega is one of the best made stands there is. It folds as well, so you can easily put it away, it's not so bulky. And once I put it together, I'll show you what it looks like with the steering wheel. The steering wheel at the moment is just there, over there, among all my other gadgets. I've got a great project for these PCs there. The XPC there. You can turn them into a nice little gaming PCs there. I've got loads of stuff. Anyway guys, so can't wait for this. So we'll be streaming on Xbox tonight, and we'll probably play Battlefield 1 or 4 or even 5. I might start off with a 5 just to see how the game was earlier, the difference between PC and console, how much better you are off with console if you're a console player than PC. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. I can't wait till this is all set up. Thanks for watching, and thank you so much for your support.